Hello friends, welcome to Code Sutra. In this video, I will discuss about LeetCode problem number 45, jump game 2. In this problem, you are given an array. In this array, each point indicates the maximum that jump you can take. For example, 3 indicates you can travel to this or this. That is, you can travel 3 steps from this particular point. So what is the game? The game is you have to reach the end point in the minimum number of steps. For example, here you can travel from this point to this, and from this you can directly travel to the end. So you just need 2 steps. So how do you approach this problem, right? So whenever you are given a maximum or a minimization problem, that is you want to find the optimal steps, the approach is either greedy or dynamic programming. Let's choose greedy in this particular so first we are at the position 0. What is the position that he can reach from this position in the next step? These will be our 2 options, right? So from these 2 options, we will pick the one that will take us to the farthest point. So we will select 3 in that particular case. But how do we find out 3? We just have to walk. So we will walk all the steps that we can take in this particular step, that is the first step, and we'll choose the best one among them. So the farthest point that we can travel in the first step after the first step will be till this point, right? So again we will walk till that point, not from the beginning, from wherever we have stopped. So from this step, what is the maximum number of steps again you can travel? It is 4. From this 4 you have already reached the end, so the answer will be 3. So I will repeat the approach again. So from this point you will just find out what is the maximum position that you can reach, and within those 2 positions again you will find a point, so that you will actually reach again the maximum position among them. So let's get into the code. So before getting into the code, actually 99% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel. If you like the content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'm also starting a placement series which just don't solve problems. This will help you develop the intuition and observe patterns. Let's get into the code. So the first thing is you will have the answer, that is our required steps to reach the endpoint. That will be 0, and this is the current end. That is the end that we can reach from within this step. For example, if you take here, right, the first step, what is the current end that you can reach? You can just reach these 2. Similarly, we have the current farthest point. What is the current farthest point? That is, we will keep changing the values as we iterate over this, right? The current farthest value when you reach this will be 4. The current farthest value when you reach this will still be 4. So that is the current farthest point. And once we have completed this, we will just change the current end point to the current farthest point. So what are we doing here? Whatever I said. So the current farthest will get updated at each step. That is, what is the maximum position that you can travel from that position. And as soon as you have reached the previous steps maximum end, then you will increase the number of steps or the answer by 1, and you will also change the current end by 1. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.